Top 15 Best Machine Learning Books for 2025.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
In this blog, we have handpicked the 15 best machine learning books for 2025 that will guide you at every stage of your learning journey. Whether you are just getting started with basic concepts or you are an experienced pro looking to explore the latest advancements, we have got something for everyone. Our list is carefully curated to make choosing the right book easy and stress-free. From simple, beginner-friendly books that break down complex topics to advanced reads that dive deep into neural networks and AI, we have covered it all. Why machine learning books are essential for staying ahead. Machine learning is no longer limited to academic circles or big tech companies. It is influencing various industries, including healthcare, finance, marketing, and entertainment. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner, it's important to stay updated on the latest trends, techniques, and tools in this rapidly evolving field. Where should you start? With countless books available, finding the perfect one for your level and goals can be a challenge. We have carefully selected top 15 best machine learning books by gathering insights from expert blogs and other reliable sources. Our list covers everything from foundational concepts to cutting-edge techniques. Whether you are preparing for a machine learning interview, looking to upskill, or simply wanting to delve deeper into AI, there's something for everyone on this list. Breaking down our selection process. The books listed below aren't ranked by popularity or technical depth but by their relevance for different stages of learning. We have categorized them into three key groups. For beginners, start your machine learning journey with ease. Intermediate explorers, enhance your skills with advanced insights. Experts and enthusiasts deep dive into the complex algorithms and cutting-edge research that powers AI today. For beginners. 1. Machine Learning for Absolute Beginners by Oliver Theobald. Are you just starting and unsure where to begin? Oliver Theobald's book is ideal for complete beginners. It's a light, jargon-free introduction that covers fundamental topics like data preprocessing, linear regression, and classification. Why it's great? Simple explanations without the overwhelming technical depth. Ideal for someone taking their first steps. 2. Machine Learning Yearning by Andrew Ng. Who better to learn from than one of the pioneers of AI and machine learning? Machine Learning Yearning, a must-read for beginners. Andrew Ng, co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera, breaks down complex topics in a way that's digestible and practical. This book helps you understand how to structure your projects and solve real-world machine learning problems. Why it's great? Ng's clear and direct style cuts through the technical jargon and focuses on building intuition. 3. The 100-page machine learning book by Andrei Burkov. Short on time but eager to master machine learning? This is a no-fluff book that distills years of research into just 100 pages. Andrei Burkov summarizes everything from supervised and unsupervised learning to model evaluation and other related topics. It's particularly beneficial if you are prepping for interviews or certification exams and want a concise overview. Why it's great, focused, compact, and offers a no-nonsense introduction to key concepts. Intermediate explorers. 4. Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Gérin. As one of the most popular machine learning books of recent years, Aurélien Gérin's guide blends theory with practical hands-on tutorials. Updated for 2024, it provides everything you need to know about using Python's powerful libraries like Scikit-learn and TensorFlow. If you aim to build real-world ML systems, this book will guide you through the end-to-end process. Why it's great? Packed with exercises and real-world case studies, it is perfect for intermediate learners.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.